Hello sweethearts, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I'm in Monforte del Cid, a beautiful town located in the province of Alicante and not too far from the coast of the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be showing you semi-detached villas. These villas are altogether 171 square meters and feature 3 floors including a solarium. You will find also that they have a basement, which is quite nice, offering 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. I can't wait to show you this newly built construction now that they're in phase 4. So let's begin the tour. As you come into the property through the pedestrian entrance, which has multi-purpose function of also working as your vehicle gate, you are coming into the grounds of the home, and this would be the area where you would have enough space to park your vehicle comfortably within the grounds of your plot. It also forms part of your natural entry point to the interior of the home, which we're going to explore right now, giving you a really nice balance of materials as you enter within a natural stone facade, and then we come in through a robust security door. As you come in, you will find that it is a warm and inviting entry that leads to an open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. Altogether, the space offers you 43 square meters with a ceiling height of 2.5 meters. It gives you a lovely blend of balance if you like open living, and all the while you have large doors and windows on one side, giving you access to a frontal terrace and also views of the rolling countryside in front of us. Right here where I'm stood is where the kitchen is. I'm going to start with this particular place first, in the sense that it has a peninsular design and it also features an island that also has a breakfast bar for 2. You will find that the colour palette that they have chosen within this particular model is personalisable in the sense that they offer different colours, different types of materials that you can also choose at your leisure should you wish. But what I do like about this is that they have actually included lots of cabinetry that is also deep and spacious. On this side, you will find you have your cooking hob with your extractor, and you also find underneath here you have your Whirlpool dishwasher, the kitchen sink, a continuation of your appliances with your oven and your microwave, and also the refrigerator and the freezer. As standard, they have decided to go for Whirlpool as the brand, but with all newly built construction, when it comes to the kitchen appliances, if there is a brand that you do prefer, the developer is more than happy to change it to your specifications. Okay? So taking you out of the kitchen, it then leads to what is the dining space. And here they have gone for a rather sizable dining table that is set to dine 6. And then it also leads nicely to the living area, which has a lovely sofa and again is overlooking that really beautiful scenery in front of us. To the rear of the home is where things may be a little bit different depending on the particular model you are looking at. After all, there are 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom models available. But what we are looking at right now is a model that is actually completed in the 1st phase. And right now they're actually currently working in the 4th phase, where they have made some minor alterations to the distribution in order to maximise functionality and comfort for the family. As we come into the hallway here, you'll find that there is a guest bathroom that is fully equipped. And in this part of this model, you will find they have actually incorporated 2 rather spacious storage rooms. This one, which I would imagine could be used as a pantry or even a laundry or utility room, but then also one next to it that functions as your technical room, also housing your aerothermal boiler and any other electrical things that you may need to keep in this space. It does have plumbing for the washing machine here also, should you want to use this space instead for that. In the actual other models of the phase 4 that they're in, you will find that downstairs, instead of those two spaces, there is a storage room and a guest bedroom. Taking you up the stairs to the first floor, I like how they have taken advantage of the light being able to come into the space and also giving that amplitude with the ceiling heights in the stairwell area. You will find that not only can you change certain features like the kitchen, like I mentioned before, but you can even change the type of flooring that you decide to choose and also your bathroom tiles. In this home, this is an example of some of the different types of porcelain stone tiles that you can choose when it comes to the finishes in your bathroom. And you will also see that there are certain areas of the living space where you have the ceramic flooring, but then you also have another type of stone wooden effects flooring. So it's really nice in the sense that you can personalize it to your own taste. Taking you now to the first bedroom. This bedroom is warm, relaxing and very calming as you enter. It offers 11 square meters, and on the first floor also the ceiling height is maintained of 2.5 meters. On one side you have a large wall that is housing your integrated wardrobes, and then on the other side you have doors that lead to a small patio and also provide you with access to the solarium. Taking you now into the hall once more, I'm now going to show you the second bedroom. In this bedroom, it has a similar interior feel in the sense that you have the great balance of light coming in through the patio doors, but then you also have the large integrated wardrobes on one side. In this room, I decided to go with a smaller bed, but you could still fit a double-sized bed in here comfortably as well. And this room offers 13 square meters. Taking you now out of the bedroom, I'm now coming into the hall, and this is the main bathroom to serve this floor. It is spacious, it is warm, relaxing in colour and tone, and it is fully equipped. Taking you along the hall, I'm now taking you into the primary suite. This bedroom altogether offers 17 square meters. It is light and warm and relaxing as you enter. What I like about this room is that they have incorporated a wardrobe nook over there, giving you plenty of storage. You also have these large patio doors and windows that give you integration with their own private terrace and also great views of the surrounding landscape. And then you also have a doorway that leads to the fully equipped ensuite bathroom. In this bathroom, again, they've decided to go with a slightly different palette so you can get to see the types of colours and designs that you can opt for when you choose yours. So for modern day comfort and efficiency, you will find that these homes are fully equipped with all the specifications that you would expect. So you have electric shutters, LED lighting, anti-glare double glazed windows, underfloor heating in the bathroom, hot and cold air conditioning, and more included. Within a short walk away, one has access to Alenda Golf. This is an 18-hole golf course that has beautiful sweeping grass areas that also have lakes, fountains interspersed within the grassland and the woodland of this gorgeous golf course. But that being said, what I like about Alenda Golf is it actually offers a lot of valuable services here on site for residents and also even golf enthusiasts to be able to use throughout the year. You have access to your own golf shop. There's a sales office that are also offering accommodation for sale right here on site. But then you also have access to a bustling restaurant that offers lovely gastronomy. You have access to a gymnasium, a spin room, a spa. And I really like the fact that it's really well equipped. You don't just have facilities within the course on the inside of the building, but also on the outside you will find there are tennis courts, even offering golf classes for those that are wanting to take up the sport for the first time, and also paddle courts too. So if you do like recreational activities, not too far from where you live, and also being able to enjoy this spectacular backdrop that we're actually being able to experience right now whilst you get fit, then do come to Alenda Golf. taking you up the stairs to the final space where you have plenty of outdoor living space to enjoy the climate, everybody. We are in the Solarium. The Solarium features approximately 65 square meters of additional living space for you to enjoy the Mediterranean weather, baby, and also the panoramic views and the expanse of the location where we are. Don't be fooled. You really do feel when you're here that you're in this open space and you can see for miles around. It's wonderful. But within the Solarium, you also have pre-installation for, let's say, an outdoor summer kitchen should you want it. It will automatically have LED lighting, exterior lighting to illuminate it. You also have installation if you're wanting to have a jacuzzi and also an outdoor shower. There are many possibilities in which you can use your Solarium to enjoy all year round. But what I really love is seeing the proximity of where we are. We have just 10 minutes away in the car. You can be in Elche city. You also have great proximity to golf courses like Alenda Golf and others in the area. And well, you also have access to the town itself. Isn't this awesome? I also like as well that within the grounds of this urbanisation you will find that they've actually spared no detail in making sure you're really comfortable. You might be thinking, why haven't I got a swimming pool? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Over here you will find is a very spacious communal swimming pool designed for adults and also for children. It gives you also some lounging terrace areas and outdoor showers for the comfort of the swimmers in the warmer months. Alongside the facilities that are available within Alenda Golf, not too far away and within close proximity of the residences, you will find that you have access for your family members, especially children, to an international multilingual school. Magnus School is actually a really good international school in the sense that it offers courses for students from the ages of 3 years old up to 18 years old in both English and Spanish, as well as offering other language courses within the curriculum. What's really interesting about this school also is that it currently receives up to 20 countries of different students that are attending at the moment. And well, I do think this is a lovely blend and a lovely addition to this community right here in Monforte del Cid. So if you do want to check out more information, don't forget to go to our website and also check out the residential area of Monforte. The nitty-gritty. The property tax or EB is approximately €400 per year. The community fee is €60 per month and the refuse is €180 per year. As you can see, these are newly built semi-detached houses and they are currently in their fourth phase, which is due to be completed within 14 months. These are really nice in the sense that if you like sustainable living, you will find that the installations of the home are such that they do include aerothermal energy, hot and cold air conditioning, and also a water heating system that is also sustainable and will ensure lower energy costs. What I really also like about the homes is where they are located. Very centrally located within the province of Alicante, you will find you are just 15 minutes away from the city of Elche and also Alicante. What's great about it as well is that if you're wanting things on foot, you will find that within a kilometre, you have all of your amenities nearby. And well, gorgeous picturesque landscape views of the Alenda Golf Course as well. So if you like this property and you would like to know more, then please do check out the finer details on our website, which is spainhomes.estate. My name's Nikima. It was lovely to see you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Every like and subscribe makes a huge difference to us as a company, and we do obviously enjoy all of your feedback. Anyway, I'll be seeing you next time. Hasta pronto.